again, and to spread out disease. Brace yourselves and calm.
Hello, welcome to the medicine bus. Traveling herbal apothecary, travels all over the Southwest, occasionally Oregon, whenever you can find a campsite nowadays. But anyway,
Follow you.
come in. Alright, so mostly, I would say majority of everything in here has been repurposed from something or another. A lot of pallets, a lot of street signs, pretty cool old license plates that I like there.
Oh, those are really cool.
1930s. This is my medicine woman, Muna, who taught me everything that the bus is about. This is a wonderful teacher of medicine. The dwarf stove here, out of a little family in Idaho makes these. They're very good stoves. I would definitely recommend those stoves. Juniper from my buddy Mark in Silver City. Basketball court, old basketball court counter. So this is pretty much what the bus is all about here. We got teas for all kinds of things, pain and sleep and immunity, and some salves, tinctures, sun balms there. That's how keeps trucking on, making new things out of all the plants that the bus finds along the way. All the oils for salves, alcohol, tinctures, brewing. This is all of the teas, and all the herbs are in here.
Right.
And then I just do food on this side. Coke pack. Yeah. Fans are good. Books are good. And I think one of the coolest things about a school bus, I would say, is definitely magnets. You know, you got your light there.
Yep.
You got your sock dimmer. You need one of these, a sock dimmer / light bulb protector. It's really where it's at.
Yep. Well, it's one of the things, if you leave this metal roof, and magnets are great. Mine's all wood, so I can't do that. So.
Yeah. You got Geronimo here protecting the door for us.
You know, how much solar do you have?
400 watts.
400?
400 watts, yeah, it's a pretty simple, small system, but for what I use, I also like to be outside with the fire a lot, so I do a lot of cooking out on the rocket stove.
Sure.
I just like chopping wood, and then in the winter time, the wood stove really does a lot of the cooking for me in the winter.
Right. Yeah, when I was in Sticks and Bricks, we had a wood stove. Cooked a lot of stuff on that.
So I got a 100 amp hour lithium battery, 400 watts of power. So here in the Southwest, you know, 400 watts of power is going into a 100 amp hour battery. If you're not running TVs and you're not doing any of that stuff, I mean, it's plenty of power.
Sure.
I run the little mini I'd say one of the coolest things that I would say about with the solar is one of these dudes. One of these little mini Instapots here. That's like a game changer if you're running solar.
Now, is that 110 or is that?
Yeah,
12?
yeah. You got to invert. Yeah, you got to convert the power.
That's my problem. Is everything I have is 12 volt. I don't have any 110.
Yeah, but the fridge freezer down here is 12 volt.
Yeah, similar to mine.
So yeah. Which takes very low power, you know, even with the 100 amp hour battery, you know, run the fridge the whole time, don't run out of power, run the Instapot a lot, cook outside a lot. Oh, and then I just reused all the dome lights in here. I just connected them right direct to the power, so then that's kind of the main lighting, except for this pretty cool stained glass hanger here.
All right.
You gotta have peacock feathers, otherwise, what are you doing, you know?
Oh, of course. So, if somebody wanted to get a hold of you,
Medicine Bus has a Instagram. It's just Medicine Bus.
Okay.
Medicinebus@gmail.com if they need support with tinctures, teas, salves for countless amounts of things. So,
right.
all over southwestern medicine mostly. Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Well, thank you for the tour.
You're welcome, buddy.